modern process technology, media such as water and compressed air are usually provided centrally in a supply unit. Control and monitoring of the process take place in their respective process units. The Process Control Engineering Experimental Plant RT590, developed by GUND, presents such a scenario in a practical manner. The supply unit supplies the experimental plant with compressed air, cold and hot water. The experimental plant itself consists of temperature control, pressure control, level control in a second order fill level section for both tanks and a flow control. The actuators are electro-pneumatic control valves and a speed control pump. The experimental plant is operated and controlled via the integrated PLC and touchscreen, or via the GUND process control software supplied with the system. Data acquisition is also possible at any time. Any number of workstations can be used with the GUND process control software via WLAN or LAN to track the tests and evaluate the data. In addition, the experimental plant enables practical fault analysis based on simulated typical faults such as cable break, frozen measured values or reduced setting range. For more information, please visit our website under www.gund.de.